10 lines on noise pollution. The decibels found in nature are much lower than what we experience today. When we introduce a loud foreign source into the environment, we cause noise pollution. Noise pollution is caused by noisy machines, loudspeakers, vehicles, and other objects producing sound at high decibels. Even rock concerts are a cause of noise pollution. Four. Like air and water pollution, noise pollution also adversely affects our health. 5. The World Health Organization recognizes noise pollution as a major health hazard. 6. The European Environment Agency also monitors the effects of noise pollution on Europeans. They have stated that noise pollution is responsible for a lot of premature deaths. Seven. When continuously subjected to noise pollution, a person can develop several chronic issues. 8. Noise pollution can lead to ADHD and other dangerous health hazards. Initially, the problem may not seem much, but it can lead to bigger problems over time. 9. Noise pollution also harms other living beings such as birds. Ten. Noise pollution can be reduced by minimal use of loud machines, controlled loudspeakers, refraining from using horns, etc.